This step will help you unlock your GLoan and avail up to 25,000 or even 125,000 GLoan offer. Paano? Stay tuned until the end of this video for I will give you the specific and effective steps in unlocking your GLoan. And for the last part, abangan nyo kasi magbibigay tayo ng additional tips para mas ma-unlock natin ang ating GLoan. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button to be notified in our latest uploads. Dahil lago kayo at umabot tayo sa 5,000 subscribers, ay magbibigay ako ng 100 pesos GCash sa lahat ng aking supporters. Just comment the hashtags na makikita ninyo dito sa aking video with your GCash number, and for the next video natin ay magko-comment picker tayo at pipiliin natin yung mapapalad na mananalo. So without further ado, let's start this tutorial. Para ma-unlock natin ang ating GLoan sa ating mga GCash account, ay kailangan muna nating ma-meet itong mga requirements na ito. First is ating age, 21 to 65 years old. Yung ating citizenship is to be Filipino, of course. And yung ating GCash account should be fully verified. Para malalaman na fully verified yung ating account, check mo lamang dito sa iyong profile, sa iyong GCash account, at yung check dyan na fully verified. Kapag na-check yan, ibig sabihin, fully verified na yung GCash account mo. Kung hindi pa fully verified yung GCash account mo, meron tayong video tutorial dito. Click mo itong I button sa ating upper right corner ng ating video. Makikita mo dyan yung video tutorial on how to fully verify your GCash account. And next is credit history. Do you maintain a good credit sa ating GCash account? If you do, then you're good to go. Yun po ang apat na dapat natin gawin para ma-unlock natin yung ating GCash. Ngayon naman punta tayo sa additional tips para mas ma-unlock natin itong ating GCash. Based on my experience, dahil nga nagkaroon ako ng magandang good credit score dito kay GCash, ay mas na-unlock ko itong aking GLoan. First of that is nagkaroon muna ako ng offer dito sa GCredit. Yung GCredit, kung mayroon kang offer kay GCredit, ay i-avail mo na kaagad. Dahil dito mapakikita mo, meron kang magandang good credit score kay GCash. Meron kang good credit history kay GCash at mas ma-o-offeran ka niya ng mga features like GCredit, GGives, and of course, itong GLoan. Kaya, importante talaga itong good credit history, lalo na kung good payer ka and you pay your dues on time. At yung additional tips nga sinasabi ko sa inyo is itong last and foremost is to improve your G-score. How to improve your G-score and how to increase it. Makikita natin yung ating G-score dito sa ating profile, sa ating menu. Click mo lamang yan at makikita mo yung G-score mo. I-check mo kung magkano na yung G-score mo. Tataas po yung G-score kapag na-maintain niyo ang inyong wallet balance. So, dapat meron kayong wallet balance siya. Maintain, laging may laman yung inyong GCash. And next to that is, lagi ninyo itong ginagamit, cash in, cash out, and of course, pay bills. So, kayong option dito, kung gusto niyo magbayad ng mga bills, gamitin niyo na si GCash. Kasi in that way, mas ma-increase in yung G-score and most likely, meron kayong greater chance na ma-approve at ma-activate ang inyong GLoan. May nagtatanong, ano nga ba yung G-score? G-score is calculated based on our GCash activity. The greater the activity you have and the active you are in using GCash, the higher the chance you'll be offered by different features like GCredit, GGives, and of course, itong GLoan. How will you check na pwede na kayo mag-apply sa inyong GLoan? So, meron tayong video tutorial dito on how to apply your GLoan. But I will give you a summary on applying your GLoan kapag meron ka ng offer. Meron kang matatanggap na SMS from GLoan na pwede ka na nga mag-loan. So, kapag meron ka ng SMS na nakalagay doon na pwede ka na mag-loan, pwede mo nang i-check yung GLoan. Punta ka lamang sa View All Services and click Borrow. And dito sa bar, makikita mo yung GLoan. Upon clicking that, kung meron ka ng offer, lalabas ka agad yan. At ilalagay mo dyan, pipindutin mo yung Activate. And after putting that Activate, so meron mga information dyan na kailangan natin i-fill out. Tapos mo yung step-by-step procedure dyan. At na-confirm mo na yan, directly yung pupunta doon sa yung GCash account at ma-withdraw mo yan. At pwede mo na siyang i-transfer sa yung mga bank account para hawakan mo na kaagad yung pera na niloan mo. So, ganun lamang po kadali na ma-unlock ng ating GLoan dito sa ating GCash. So, yung last step talaga is kailangan natin ma-improve yung ating G-score para may greater chance talaga tayo na ma-unlock ng ating GLoan. That's all for today. Nawa nakatulong sa inyo ang video nito. For more video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to be notified sa ating mga bagong uploads. Again, this is Gat and thank you for watching.